welcome back to my channel. I have got a brand new makeup related video for you guys today. I am going to be doing this look here for you. I'm going to be showing you how I got this kind of cranberry-esque Valentine's Day look. I decided to do something a little bit different rather than just like the light pinky, beautiful, demure, like very elegant kind of look. I decided to go for something that was a little bit smokier and a little bit more like on the cranberry side, which I feel like is still a Valentine's Day color. But I wanted to do something that you could wear like out with your girlfriends if you're going out on, you know, Valentine's Day or the weekend before. You want to do something a little bit more smoky and mysterious, or if you just want to try to play it up a little bit. I'm going to be using the Cat's Pajamas palette from LAURALEE Cosmetics, or LAURALEE Los Angeles, and this is what she looks like. Very pretty. I'm going to be using a lot of these colors here on the bottom, and I'm going to be showing you step by step how I did this eye look. I'm not going to be showing you full face just because I figure everybody has their own routine with that, but I will mention the products that I use when I do the voiceover for the actual tutorial part. So I hope you guys enjoy this, and let's get started with Valentine's Day look.
Alright, so for our transition shade, I'm going to grab Bomb Diggity and I'm going to put this into my crease as kind of a way to help blend and blur the other colors. And I also went ahead and primed and set my eyes with a translucent powder so that these will blend better on top, because we're going to take Kooky next and put that into the crease as well. I'm going a little bit lower on the crease with this, and this is not showing up as intense as it is in person, but this is a really beautiful color, but it does take some blending, so make sure that you are using a clean blending brush at the end there just to soften up those edges. Then I'm taking a flat shader brush and In One Ear, which is a kind of shimmery cranberry color. It's not showing up for some reason as shimmery as it is in person on camera, but it's really beautiful and it really gives some good dimension to this look without adding too much drama. And then I'm taking Quirky, which is a deeper purpley shade, and I'm throwing this in the outer crease and in the outer corner so that we can kind of smoke this up and also again add that dimension. And yes, I ended up getting my eyebrows waxed after this video because this is tragic. Taking again that clean blender and making sure that I'm getting all those harsh lines, and then I'm adding Kooky and a little bit of that darker plum shade again into the outer corner just to match things up so it looks really nice and balanced. And this is also making my eyes greener by the minute. And make sure you just blend that out. And then we're going with Scatterbrained, putting that on the inside corner, and then underneath the brow bone we're going with Okie Dokie just as a light under eye highlight, or under brow bone highlight. And this may be the first time I have ever successfully winged my eyeliner on camera, sort of. So I got the basis there, and you can see how I do my wing liner, which is kind of my signature thing, and then just filled it in. That was the Kat Von D tattoo liner, and then this is the Lash Paradise mascara from L'Oreal. And then that is the finished look, and I'm going to tell you more about my other products at the end of this, but that is it. Hope you guys like it.
Okay, so I went ahead and finished my face off camera, so I want to show you the products that I did use for blush. I used the Exposed Amazonian Clay Blush by Tarte, which I feel like is a good kind of color story to go along with that. For highlighter, which very much matches the like inner corner of this look, I went with Champagne Pop by Becca / Jaclyn Hill. For my lips, I have the color Boss from the Bare Minerals Liquid Lips collection, because again, I felt like this could be like kind of a cool color story, but also if you wanted to do something a little bit vampier. Okay, so I can't find the other lip I was going to talk about, but it is the Bam by ColourPop, and again, LAURALEE, I didn't mean to do that, but that could be really pretty too. It's like a dark berry tone that I think could be really pretty. It's a very similar like cranberry type berry tone, and that's pretty much it. I hope you guys have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and I will see you in my next video. In the meantime, my name is Parker, this is Stories in the Dust, and I really hope you'll stick around a while. Bye guys!